Hi. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to convert images to PDF in Python using PDF.co web API. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We have here a sample images, and we'll convert it into a PDF file. So let's begin. First, let's install the request module. Type python mpip install request in your command line. Next, open the Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in Python. Then enter the Python sample code. You can see the link of the source code in the description box below. In line 6, add your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. In line 12, input your source image file's name. For line 14, type in your desired PDF output file name. Once you're done setting up the code, you may now run the program. The program runs successfully. Let's check the folder to view the output. Here's the generated PDF output from images files. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website, or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.